welcome back to my channel. So today I have another makeup tutorial for you. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eyeshadow look right here. This look reminds me so much of pink lemonade and spring and summer. I can't wait for the summer, but I'm so obsessed with this look. I did use the James Charles palette. I know you guys love it. When I used this palette, and I literally just used like 2 eyeshadows from that palette, and that was pretty much it. And of course I did use this pink eyeliner that I have going on right now. It's super easy, super simple. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's go ahead and get started.